Well, in addressing this question, a band director might consider the following points. So first, you want individual attention. You need to recognize that each musician has unique strengths and areas for improvement. It's important to provide personalized feedback, regular feedback, and this can be achieved through one-on-one sessions or sectionals where specific guidance is given by the director. The next point is ensemble unity. While individual skill is absolutely crucial, the director must also cultivate a sense of unity and teamwork. That's essentially what you're working with. And this involves selecting repertoire that changes the ensemble appropriately and encourages musicians to listen and blend with each other. Next, we have motivation. And to keep musicians and your student musicians engaged, a director must set clear, achievable goals and celebrate milestones, as well as provide opportunities for solo performances or leadership roles within the ensemble. Next, you need to encourage professional development. Encouraging musicians to attend workshops, master classes, and clinics can help them grow individually and bring new insights into the group. And finally, I would encourage inclusivity, ensuring that all musicians feel that their contributions are valued and they're the key to making this experience amazing. This might involve rotating challenging parts, featuring different sections, and fostering an environment where everybody's input is welcome. And by integrating these strategies, a band director can nurture both the individual and the collective aspects of musicianship, leading to a more cohesive and dynamic ensemble. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and like us, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.